Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Manifesto. Today we're talking about something that can literally change your financial life, passive income. If you're tired of trading hours for dollars, if your paycheck barely covers your bills, and if you're wondering how other people seem to have money flowing in without working 24/7, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 8 legitimate passive income streams you can start building today. And here's the thing. Some of these require almost zero startup costs. So stick around. Let me paint a picture. You're working a solid job. Maybe you're earning decent money. But here's the problem. The moment you stop working, the money stops coming in. You're trading your time for money. And time is the one resource you can't get back. The cost of living keeps going up. Rent, groceries, fuel, utilities. Everything is getting more expensive. Your paycheck stays the same. How are you supposed to get ahead? This is where passive income becomes your secret weapon. Passive income is money that keeps coming in with minimal effort after the initial setup. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building systems that work for you while you sleep, while you're at work, while you're doing literally anything else. Think about it this way. If you have one income stream and something happens to it, you're in trouble. But if you have multiple income streams, you're secure, you're protected, and most importantly, you're building towards actual financial freedom. The wealthy don't have one income stream. They have 5, 10, sometimes 20 different sources of money coming in. That's the real secret nobody talks about. Let's start with something that's genuinely life-changing: digital products. Think about what you know. What skills do you have? What problems can you solve? You can package that knowledge into a digital product, a course, an ebook, a template, a preset pack, and sell it online. Here's the beautiful part. You create it once, and you can sell it 1,000 times, 1,000 times. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you're good at design. You could create Canva templates and sell them on Etsy. Someone buys it, downloads it, uses it. You don't have to do anything. Another person buys it. Same template, zero extra work from you. That's passive income. Your first digital product might take you 20 hours to create. But if you sell it to just 100 people at $15 each, you've made $1,500 in passive income. And you can keep selling it forever. The platforms are already there. Udemy, Skillshare, Gumroad, Teachable, they handle everything. You just upload your product and watch the money come in. Some people are making thousands of dollars per month just from digital products they created years ago. And they're not doing anything. The system is working for them. Next up, content creation and ad revenue. This one takes longer to get going. But once you hit those thresholds, the money is ridiculous. A YouTube channel, a blog, a podcast. Once you have an audience, brands want to advertise on your content. YouTube pays you for views, Spotify pays you for streams, Medium pays you based on reading time. The bigger your audience, the more you make. Some creators are making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month just from ads and sponsorships. And yes, you created the content. But now it's working for you on repeat. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest passive income streams to start. You recommend products you actually use. You include your affiliate link. Someone clicks your link and buys. You get a commission. That's it. You're not creating the product. You're not handling customer service. You're just pointing people towards something good and getting paid for it. Websites are making thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing. You write one blog post about the best productivity apps. Someone reads it, clicks your link, buys. You make money. 5 years later, that same blog post is still generating sales, stock dividends and index funds. This is the boring but reliable option. When you invest in dividend, paying stocks or dividend, paying index funds, companies literally send you money regularly just for owning their stock. It's not much at first, but as your investment grows, your passive income grows with it. Someone with $100,000 invested in dividend stocks might be making $300 to $400 per month, just sitting there. And that money compounds. The money you make in dividends can be reinvested to make even more money. It's the snowball effect. Real estate is the classic passive income move. But here's the thing. It requires capital upfront. However, once you own a rental property, the rent comes in every month. Your tenants are literally paying down your mortgage while you build equity. Yes, there's maintenance and tenant headaches, but if you choose the right property in the right location, your monthly rent can exceed your mortgage payment, taxes, and maintenance costs. That's pure passive income. Some people have multiple properties and make thousands per month from rent alone. Peer-to-peer lending platforms let you lend money to people or small businesses and earn interest. You put in your capital, they borrow it. You get paid interest. It's not as high return as some other options, but it's steady and relatively passive. You're not doing the lending yourself. The platform handles it. You just collect your interest payments regularly. Create an app or software product. This is more technical, but the payoff is huge. Someone creates a productivity app. They spend months building it, launch it on the App Store. Now thousands of people are downloading and paying for it. The revenue keeps coming in while the creator is doing other things. Yes, there's maintenance, but the initial effort pays dividends for years. Some app creators are making thousands of dollars per month from passive downloads. Print on-demand products. Design a t-shirt, a mug, a hoodie. Upload the design to a print on-demand service. When someone orders it, they print and ship it. You get your cut. You don't hold inventory. You don't ship anything. You just keep selling the same design forever. Some designers are making hundreds of dollars monthly from designs they created once. Now here's what most people get wrong about passive income. They you do nothing and money appears. That's not realistic. It's passive in the sense that you're not trading your time for it, but it requires active effort up front. You create the course, you write the blog, you build the app. That part is work, sometimes hard work, but once it's done, it stops requiring your daily attention and keeps making money. That's the magic. Here's your action plan. Pick one of these streams. Just one. Don't try to do all of them at once. That's how people burn out. Pick the one that matches your skills and interests best. Start building it. Yes, it's going to take time. Building digital products takes weeks or months. Growing a YouTube channel takes a year or two to really generate income. But here's the thing. If you don't start today, where will you be in 2 years? Probably in the same spot. But if you start today, in 2 years you might have 2, 3, even 4 passive income streams generating thousands of dollars per month. That's the difference between dreamers and the other thing is to start small and test. Don't spend thousands of dollars on your first real estate investment if you're not sure. Start with affiliate marketing or digital products where the investment is minimal. Learn what works. Make mistakes on a small scale. Then scale up once you know what you're doing. This is how rich people think. They test, they learn, they scale. And here's something nobody talks about. Your first passive income stream doesn't have to be huge.